The Lady Falcons of Adamson getting a little bit of help from these unforced errors of the NU Lady Bulldogs. As you look at Ramil De Jesus, the head coach of De La Salle Lady Spikers.
Yes.
8-0.
Parang ano yan? Floyd Mayweather.
Sino si Pacquiao?
Hindi pa natin masabi. Pero si Coach Ramil, alam mo, every time na makikita mo yan, pangiti-ngiti during the game, and he has every reason to be smiling.
Yeah, to smile.
Pero once that first whistle blows, iba na.
Seryoso na.
na.
Saka once that first error is committed,
lalo na.
iba na.
Lalo na.
You were seeing Sheila May Pineda in our replays, yung form niya, no? And kitang-kita nyo how consistent she is, kaya yung palo niya palaging the same way. Direction lang nag-iiba, pero ganun pareho yung lakas and delivery. Diesta will check in for Marzan National University. Mary Grace Diesta serving 13-16.
Diesta serving.
Nice one. Makatuno. Ooh. Wow. The hit was so powerful, it came back with interest.
That's true.
And got the libero, Princess Amy Listana, right smack in the face.
I'm sure Pineda jumps higher than what I used to when I was playing. Ang taas no, tumalon eh. Well, of course, if you've got two tall blockers in front of you, it can be all power every time. Pero the way she just elevates, it's so nice to see. It's nice to watch.
Especially, you know, being that she is small. Well, hindi naman ganun kaliitan, pero compared to all the other players, ano, or open hitters, medyo maliit si Sheila Pineda, pero she really gets a lot of air.
That's true. That's true.
Nepomuceno with an off-speed hit. Pineda blocked again, but this time goes out of bounds. Point Adamson.
She's got to realize that the front line of NU is like a head taller than she is. So, kailangan maka-adjust din siya.
Let's listen to National University.
Hanggat maaari, pasukan mo ng quick. Subukan mo pumasok ng quick. Malay mo makapatay ka. Diba? Huwag ka lang mag-aabang ng puro tres. Pasukan mo ng quick. Wala namang masama eh. Okay? Ngayon, pag pumasok siya, na-miss niya yung bola, anong gagawin mo? Saluhin mo sa ilalim. Okay? Intindihan. Pasukin mo ng quick. Intindihan. Receive ba? Receive. Bawiin mo yung service mong mali. Receive. Let's go. Enyo.
It seems like Coach Vicente has mellowed down, you know, especially in this 7-game losing streak. He's probably accepted the fact that, you know, it's really rough for them, especially with all these teams improving. And, you know, there is no point in giving these girls a hard time.
That's true.
Because they themselves are, you know, I'm pretty sure, are guilty about, you know, how the team is doing.
Well, if you probably look back and look at that 7-game losing streak, siguro sabi mo, pahiyang naman. Di ba? Mag-iba naman ako ng approach. Malay mo, doon makuha yung panalo. So I'm sure Coach Francis is taking note of that. And together with the rest of the NU Lady Bulldogs, actually, they're playing a lot better in this match. Not starting off this first set. Kita mo, they're more relaxed. Although they're down right now by 5, but still, you can see that they're more relaxed and they're more confident in their game.
Nepomuceno, second touch. Powerful cross-court right there. But a better dig by the defense of Adamson.
Ooh, that's tough.
Makatuno, a kneeling underhand set. There's Pablo right there with a point for National University.
Ang ganda ng play, ang ganda ng mga set mo sa libad. This was a back set, perfect height. There you go. Off the block.
17 out, 9. Mandapa.
By Pablo.
Pablo will get a rest. And in comes Riza Jane Mandapat for the serve. Looking to overhaul this 4-point deficit is NU. Pineda once again. Defense well prepared for that cross-court. Ooh! Pinabayaan ni Angelica Pinog yung down the line hit.
Nepomuceno seeing that it was just Makatuno over there. Siyempre, doon niya palulusutin sa mas maliit na blocker. Rather than pass it through Alpino.
Pineda tried to go with the soft, pero medyo nakalihis sa bola out of bounds. Now NU, 2 straight points.
That's right, and I've always said that NU has better chances to score if Nepomucenu's in the front row. So right now she's in the middle. They got to make the most from this rotation.
Nepomuceno almost caught the line, but not quite.
That's right.
Sayang yung run. They had a 2-point run there, but at least some damage was done, some headway was done in this deficit, ano?
It's true. Nepomuceno with a miss hit. Hit it on her wrist. Hindi niya na-snap yung kanyang hindi maganda yung contact sa bola.
Speaking of contact, beautiful hit right there coming from Ivy Perez. So NU within 2 here in set number 1.
For the Lady Bulldogs.
Nice serve. Beautiful serve. That's an ace.
Scores an ace.
Great serve right there by Perez. And again, isa lang tong laman ng Adamson.
Now, NU has always shown us they can fight, they can mount comebacks, but can they complete the deal? Let's see. That is off Perez. Beautiful play from Pao Soriano.
21.
Pao Soriano, though it wasn't the perfect set given to her, but she found a way. She adjusted. Still managed to get the point.
And just when Adamson needed a point to separate themselves, they go to the veteran, Soriano. And they're up by 2 again.
Too far to reach
Missed
for
time
Dadang.
by Dadang on the set by Precious Salibad.
That was a risky play to make.
I'm out. Lady
Of
Bulldogs.
course, patras si Salibad when she said that, and they completely missed it.
Ba't hindi mo i-drop? Umo-over na yung bola. Okay, gagawa ka rin ng puntos mo. Hindi pwedeng puro set ka lang ng set ng ano. Hindi naman bawal yun eh. Nakuha. Agresibo sa pagpasok ng quick. Okay? Bakit hindi mo nakuha yung kahit malandapli sa kamay? Kasi hindi ka agresibo sa pasok ng quick eh. Kailangan pagpasok mo ng quick, yung kamay mo nakataas na. Kahit i-drop ball mo, kung mamatay, di swerte. Ikaw naman sa lubong. Doon mo ilalagay sa sulok. Enyo! Let's go!
Instructions para kay Desiree Dadang and Precious Salibad.
That's true.
3 points up for the Lady
Yung
Bulldogs.
pag-set na sometimes be aggressive and sometimes look for the drop. Kahit sa second touch pa lang. While Dadang much more aggressive sa pagpasok so that you can be mas magandang timing mo sa bola, no?
That's right. Did Coach Francis forget his cup of coffee or something? Or probably change his playlist to mellow.
Carpenter siya ata pinakinggan mo punta rito.
Ito, maluma na yung pagka-time out ni Coach Francis ngayon. Hindi nagkape or whatever it is. Iba ang aura ni Coach Francis.
Skew on the play.
Well, it seems to be working.
Yeah, I know.
The girls are responding.
That's true.
Marzan will check back in for National University as Mary Grace Diesta is pulled out. It's a 3-point deficit. Still a little bit of wiggle room for National University. If they can complete a 3 or maybe a 4-point run here.
Let's see the serve. Ooh, it is high.
Sinigurado na.
Sinigurado
that
ni
time
Kai.
ni Kai Nepomuceno as sinigurado na rin ni Pao Soriano that they will be at set point first dito sa set number 1.
Ayun, butas na butas yung depensa.
May Makatuno.
May Makatuno serving. Here comes Marzan off the blockers.
That's true.
Set point. So may puntos na na-save or may set point na na-save of National University.
Oh, this is very manageable. This is really possible for NU to, string up 3 straight points. Then they need just 2 more points to toss out NU or Adamson. So these are very, very crucial serves for Salibad. There you go. There you go.
Nice. They got
Scores an ace.
or already rather saved 2 set points already. 2 more to go.
Oh, Coach Pante, so confident, not calling a timeout, huh?
Service. Taliban.
Oh, ano, usually.
Oo,
si Coach
tatawag, dalawa.
Pante, tatawag yan. But she trusts her players.
There you go.
Soriano.
Oh, Soriano's there. Why call a timeout?
Bakit pa sasayangin?
the button is too far.
Masyado
away.
malayo. All right, set number 1 with 2 straight points coming from itong si Pau Soriano to close it out. And Adamson wins over National University in set number 1, 25-22.